what's up guys? Stay for Eleanor. Hope everyone's doing great. Time is around 8 o'clock in the morning. Naisha I did not take her down yesterday, so I decided to take her down now. And after this, I'm planning to hit the gym. Also, we have some dad duties to do. I have to go and get the milk from the supermarket. Very, very important task. I forgot that there's no milk at home. Previously, someone used to get at home. We never took care of that, but now we have to do everything on our own. Let's go get some milk. Understand one thing about people who make these things. Why do they put a sticker inside? Yeah, it's such an irritating thing. How do you remove the sticker? And that one doesn't come out easily. Look at that. There's a whole vessel outside. You can put it outside, dude. Anyway, I'm making some chai. I'm not much of a chai drinker. At least when I'm at home, I prefer black coffee. But then once in a while, I like to have it. Especially the first drink in the morning, I prefer chai. By the way, to be honest, this is not the first time I'm doing all these things. When my dad and mom went to Canada, and that time Pooja was also pregnant, that time I was alone at my old house, almost for 4 to 5 months. I should do all these things on my own. So mentally, I knew inside that mom and dad would come back soon and they will help me with all of these things. Now I know for sure that I have to take care of every damn thing, whatever it is, financially, mentally. I mean, mentally they're always there for me, but still, you guys know what I mean, right? For now, 10 days down the line, I'm enjoying it. Definitely 200% it is a challenge. It is a little bit adventurous. Most of you guys might have been used to all of that, but for me in my life, it is definitely new. But slowly we'll get there. It'll take a few months. A lot of people told me, at least my friends, that I make good tea. Also, I can make good coffee. And it's not a complicated thing, but it is important to put the right amounts of coffee powder, the right amounts of tea if you're making tea. All these quantities matter a lot. By the way, guys, how are your stocks performing? A lot of people told me, thank you, Sriman, bro. You gave us some nice Tesla stocks. And that time when I made that video and gave away some US stocks, they kind of increased. So people who got those stocks from my video, they made a little bit of money. So once again, consider yourself lucky right now because I'm giving away US stocks. And this time it's gonna be one of my favorite US companies. You guys guessed it, Apple stocks for a free. So basically I have a couple of friends in the US. One of the friends I was talking to recently, he said, Sriman, I keep watching your channel and once in a while you keep talking about stocks and the profits you make over it. I understood that you like the stock market and all that, you like investing. This is the right place for you. You come to the US and you have to do all this, you'll make a lot of money. And one of the unique features about the US stock market is that you can get fractional shares. Anyways, I told my friend it is not necessary for me to be there in the US. I can do it from here itself, sitting in the couch of my home. And there is one more benefit that my friend will never get. So when you are an Indian, apart from the appreciation you get from the US stock, you also get the benefit of rupee depreciation. But when it comes to investing into US stock, most banks and brokers, they charge an account opening fee and very high commissions and brokerage fees. So the particular app that I use to invest into US stocks is called IND Money. Everyone calls this app the super money app, and I agree with that. With this app, you can purchase US stocks right from India. You can download IND Money from the link in the description and you can set up your US stock account. And what's more, it is all free. No commission on buying or selling stocks. Most importantly, there's no paperwork. More benefits like no account opening fee, no maintenance fee, no flat charges to load your US stock account. You also get that $20 withdrawal charges as a cashback in your bank account every time you withdraw more than $2,000. If you use my particular link in the description to sign up, you get free stocks of Apple worth ₹100 when you set up your US stock account. You can also install the app from the Play Store or the App Store and just sign up with my code SrimanApple and then set up your US stock account, and then that's it. Get free stock of Apple worth ₹100. And also on IND Money, you can literally choose among 6,500 plus stocks and ETFs. Also, you can check the performance of any stock. It's very easy to use. Just select a stock and purchase it, and there are no charges at all. This is the perfect app for young investors who want to start this even with ₹10,000 or ₹20,000. Go check the link in the description, download IND Money and start your US stock investment journey right away. But then making money is not so easy, especially on the stock market. If you can make money, you can also lose money. Be careful with that. You have to be very careful how much you're investing. Trust me, you can lose a lot of money if you're doing it wrong. One thing I'm not able to understand since a long time is what is happening to Hyderabad's weather, yaar? Yes, Sriman Kotara is back with his weather report. I mean, especially if it is like this, I have to definitely look at this baby. She'll keep disturbing me a lot. You're born just to disturb my vlogs, right? It is mid-November and there is no clear skies. It's always foggy. Fog is still fine, but it is cloudy, yeah. I mean, check this out. Is that fog or is that so much of pollution? By the way, community comes out alive, especially after 5 o'clock in the evening. It is really actually horrible to go down. There are too many people in the community down. I like to go when it is more peaceful. And especially I would like to take Naisha down when it is empty so that she can get to play. You are disturbing so much, dude. You removed it. You can't. Anyways, we have a very interesting thing to do today. Today I have to go to the airport because my sister, after a long next level long time, she is coming from Canada and I'm like super duper next level excited to go and pick her up from the airport. And also today, after almost 7 days, I'm gonna go back to Malkajgiri house. I'm gonna stay there for at least 3 or 4 days and I'll be coming back here. And after that, another 3-4 days ke baad, we have our international trip coming up soon and I'm super excited about that. Only thing is, I hope this COVID shit doesn't happen and I hope there is no lockdown and all that. Already our flight bookings and all that, one of the flight bookings which we booked through Go Air, it got cancelled. I don't know why. Let's hope for the best. Fingers crossed. Chalo, today is such a lazy day. Finally both of us took a bath now in the evening.
We at least took a bath.
We took a bath finally. And why are we matching clothes?
Every time more.
Yesterday it seems we are matching the curtains. I didn't realize it.
I also didn't realize. Vlog mein we were looking same, na colors. Curtain colors. Itna zyada color coordination.
Yeah, she was wearing a green t-shirt. I was wearing a exactly similar color green t-shirt.
Great. No, I was wearing this, I think. And you were
Coincidental. We don't want to match our curtains, dude. Who wants to do that? Yes, today was a very lazy afternoon. Pooja was watching a movie. What was that movie? I actually started watching it. Then I had some work. I had to go back and edit. Incendus. Very nice movie. I understood starting mein, but then work calls I had to go back.
You didn't even watch it to understand.
Arey, I know the synopsis, dude. I'm the one who told you to watch the movie, right?
He's the one in 15 minutes mein so gaya.
So gaya? I went and worked.
I'll tell him the real story.
Actually, I worked. I slept for, I understand what you're saying. I take a power nap every day. 10 minutes max. Nothing beyond that. You know what happens more than 10 minutes if I take a power nap? I feel my day has changed. By the way, we are going to have some guests right now.
I cannot guess at all for me.
I mean, I meet them every day. Basically, Charan and his wife are coming here.
I have Shriman's Diet Coke to offer for you.
Mera Diet Coke, please. First, I'm not doing any diet.
मेरे ख्याल से बाहर रख.
At least Diet Coke पीने दो. Naisha, you know who is coming now? You know who is coming? You know who is coming? Don't know.
I told him.
Which language is that? After a long time, I'm watching my videos on a big screen like this. It feels weird, you know. And it's a good thing that I'm not doing vlogs in 4K. I know people wanted me to vlog in 4K, but 65 inches mein, it looks horrible, my face. It's too pronounced. All pimples, every small thing is magnified so much. In a small, all...
We are cleaning.
Hey, ads. We need ads. We need ads. Right now, it's still fine, but especially at this moment where...
ulta pehna pants vlog mein.
See. Look at that face. So huge. Every hair on my face is visible.
We're humans, not superhumans.
A lot of people are saying this, that I wore my pants ulta. It is like that only. What did Adidas Origins wants to make it like that?
And meanwhile, this is what Naisha loves doing. पूरे कपड़े के
You get all the possible clips, all the possible toys. All the possible toys for her. The best toys on the planet. She doesn't care. Hey, look at that. Nice shot, no?
Deadlift, no?
Naisha needs only clips, spoons, plates. Anyone wants to gift anything to Naisha for her birthday?
Yeah.
Please send her spoons, plates. Actually, I got a kitchen set for her. After we come back from the trip, I'll give it to her. Otherwise,
if we are going.
Star mark, asterisk all the time. Till we go. Fingers crossed. Legs crossed. By the way, I just wanted to give you a quick review about this TV OnePlus 65-inch. It's fine, but I would give it a rating of maybe 7 out of 10. The software is laggy, but then I still went ahead because someone once again in one of the reviews told that after the update, it's fine. I updated the TV, but still it is a little bit laggy. Except for that, picture quality, everything is good. It's a normal LED TV. It's not even QLED. Okay, these people want to dance. I'm disturbing their dance. Oh, by the way, sound quality is good, not great. Vocal clarity is bad. If you want to listen to dialogues and all that movie mein, it's not good. But you guys know, right? Something is coming soon. So wait for that. They are dancing now. Someone is having banana chips.
Healthy chips, huh?
I take Usmania biscuits. I got it for you.
Chala healthy, right?
See, the reason I don't get healthy food is because I'll keep eating it. I'll get only junk food so that I don't eat it.
That's why I got you
That's why you got. This is ruining my diet, bro.
dry fruit,
What
right?
is that? Oh, dry fruit
Protein.
laddu. That is not good.
ఇక్కడ చూద్దాం sugar.
Orange burfi.
That is unique. Only Nagpur ka.
Oh, this is from Nagpur.
ఇక్కడ
It's
ఏంది?
But Naishu likes that.
By the way, Pooja is giving a house tour. I'll give you guys the house tour later. For now, Pooja is giving a house tour for Charan and Manogna.
Arey,
Charan,
you
though, he
can-
came much before. He
I'm
was the
the
first
first.
one. You know, apartments, it's very easy. Stand here. This is that bedroom, this guest room, kitchen, this is the master bedroom, done. If you have a duplex, there is a problem. How do you guys like the apartment?
I loved it.
You like it?
You, నేను ready అది 10 సార్లు చూసావు.
మరి తిప్పో కెమెరా.
Almost set, 90% we are set.
Table, no, don't get it. It's so
Yeah, because there's no table, that's what I'm saying. It looks spacious now. And Naisha is able to run. My mom is also saying that don't get table so that Naisha can run around.
Anyways, you'll have food there only.
We actually saw a nice table in
Don't
IKEA.
say it right now.
Only thing is it's out of stock.
I didn't book yet. She just put it on hold. So I'm like, okay.
Thank you.
So these are the two couples who are going to the international trip. I don't know, fingers crossed. Sharon, do you think we are going to go? Is it going to happen? Looking at the news?
Yeah, I want to go there, get stuck and be paid for the holiday.
Yeah, even I am like that. There should be a lockdown and we get stuck there.
And
It'll be very
it should
adventurous.
be paid for.
It should be paid for. Otherwise, we'll be far.
Imagine.
No, I don't want to imagine.
Quarantine hostel.
Okay, we are hoping that we'll go for this international trip. If it happens, we'll get some amazing next level content. Okay, me and Pooja are going home for a couple of days. She will be going to her mom's place. I am going to Malkajgiri, my mom's place. I think we're going for 3 or 4 days. 3 days. We'll be back in 3 days. Coincidentally, Pooja's co-sister is gonna come and they have a newborn baby and all that. My sister is gonna come, so we're gonna spend some time with our families and then we have this international trip, which hopefully is gonna happen.
God knows.
Yeah, we'll come back again here after 3 days. Then pack up everything, head to the international destination if we are
We
going.
need to first come and do the COVID test.
But yes, if you're going like this for a couple of days, you can't just leave like any other house. You have to clear all this junk and go. You have to put it outside. Waste management. You have to follow rules and regulations when you're in a proper community. Okay, let me put all that. And also I'm taking a couple of things because when I go from here to that house, obviously I have my clothes and all that. Another set in the old house as well. Because I told you, right, I'll keep driving from here and there. But there are a few things that I need to take from here, like my laptop and all that stuff. So let's throw this all inside the car, put the waste outside and go to the airport. Chalo, it is almost close to 12 a.m. in the night. Let's go to the airport, pick up my sister. Also quickly had to take a break because I just realized there's no FASTag on this. There is a FASTag, but this doesn't work. So I got a new FASTag which I did not affix till now. And I also realized that if I have to go from my new place to the airport, we have Outer Ring Road. That is the exciting part because we are also gonna get amazing mileage of 32 kilometers per liter. I'm just kidding. Realistically, we'll get around 20 kilometers per liter. Let's try to get that. And to go on to Outer Ring Road, you need to pay toll and all that. And for that, FASTag is much easier. So this is the right time to do it. Let's do it and get out. So this is the new FASTag. Hopefully it works. Fish. Alignment issues ho gaya, but chalo, I can't peel it off again. This is what happens when you're vlogging with one hand and doing important stuff like that. Never do that. Chalo, reached on time. Time is approximately 1 o'clock in the midnight. And OS, hamara FASTag worked perfectly. 40 rupees toll, and this time we did not get like amazing next level mileage. We did not even cross 15 kilometers per liter. We got around 12 kilometers per liter. Reason being, I was not maintaining a constant speed of 100 kilometers an hour. So let's go and make my sister super excited about this. Nobody's surrounding. So actually, we thought of giving a surprise for mom and dad. No, actually they gave me a surprise. It's mom and dad came. We didn't know this. Suddenly when I came here, mom and dad were here. I mean they called me. Where are you, Bolge?
I didn't tell anybody.
I don't know. I'm thinking you people plan a surprise for me. Anyway, sister is here. Feels good. Let's get into the car
Yeah.
and let's continue the vlog there.
After so
Right now
long.
we're in the middle. Okay, look who's here.
Priyanka Khotaru.
Kotaru family, it's the second person. Finally seeing her after almost, I think, 3 years.
3.5 years.
We have to put some accent and talk because we have Canadians in the room. From today onwards, our intros, everything is gonna be with some accent, okay? Please bear with me. Otherwise, these people will think we don't know how to talk in English, okay?
చచ్చిపోతారు random చూసి.
ముందు మన మల్కాజ్గిరి పోదాం ఇప్పుడు
అదే
రేపటికెళ్ళి చించేద్దాం vlogs.
అంతే ఇంకా.
By the way, mom, dad also gave us a surprise, like I told you before. So they took the Chotu Anaya there. We'll be directly meeting. Yeah, she left you so easily. What is this?
How she left me and she left
Like there, she's seeing mom and dad after like Amma Tata after literally 2 years.
She was
2
like
years.
2. She was like 2.
She knows them only through the phones, video calls and all that. I was really surprised that she was so easily going to them and she's coming in a different car right now.
Yeah, she never leaves me at all. Like she's attached to me. She never leaves me. But see,
Now she left you
yeah,
easily.
in India.
India ka air is like that. Hamara Hyderabad ka air is like that. Chal, let's get out. Let's stop this vlog. Time is literally 2 o'clock and your door is not shut. Hamara Kia shows everything. You see there?
అదేంట్రా గట్టిగానే.
Now you put Gatiga. So let's go. She is vlogging on the iPhone 11. She doesn't know we have A7 S3 where we have magical light. See, so much so dark
12
it is.
Pro ra.
Oh, shit, 12 Pro.
Max.
Max. But still there is no light, enough light in the 12 Pro Max. You want to see your light in A7 S3? Look at this.
దాంట్లో ఇంకా తోపు ఉంటారులే.
We'll show off sometime, okay? Canadians go.
అదొక్క.
Feels really good to see you, bro. Oh yes, we are back in our Malkajgiri home, in our old home. Simon, it's not you, it's your sister who came from Canada. You were here last week. No, but trust me, definitely it feels amazing to be back. I think almost since the last 7 or 8 days, I'm not here. And there are a lot of packages pending. Super interesting. Wait for it. I know most of my subscribers will already guess it. Anyways, before ending the video, I would like to remind you, there's a link in the description for IND Money. I mean, come on here. We all use so many American products and their services. Then what the hell is stopping us from owning the stocks of these companies? The app is absolutely safe and more than 2 million Indians use the app. Go ahead, download. The link is in description. Set up your US stock account and claim your fancy Apple shares right away. Anyways, in case you have liked this video, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment and do subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next vlog. I'll be totally dead, feeling very, very sleepy, next level sleepy. Apart from these 2 or 3 things over here, there is something here as well. You see that? All this will be unboxing in the next couple of videos. Stay tuned and take care.